Making your English brighter, exploring neon colors. Hello, English explorers. Today, we are diving into a vibrant and exciting topic: neon colors. These are the colors that make our world brighter and more eye-catching. Think about your favorite dazzling signs or bold fashion trends. You'll likely find neon colors there. So let's light up our English vocabulary with these luminous colors. Neon colors are bright, saturated hues that appear to glow, much like neon lights. The term neon comes from the neon gas used in the colorful glowing signs you see in cities. Neon colors include variations of standard colors but are much brighter, almost as if they are shining or glowing. Common neon colors include neon green, neon yellow, neon pink, neon blue, neon orange, neon purple. These colors are usually used to grab attention due to their high visibility. When we describe things, using neon colors can make our descriptions much more vibrant and vivid. For example, instead of saying, "She wore a green dress," we could say, "She wore a neon green dress." This creates a more vivid image in our listener's mind. Here are a few more examples. The neon yellow sun was setting, painting the sky in a blinding, fiery glow. He painted his room neon blue, which made it feel like stepping into an ocean of light. Her neon pink nails were impossible to ignore, reflecting the vivacious personality she carries. We can also use neon colors in English expressions. Here are some examples. As bright as a neon sign is used to describe something very bright or noticeable. Neon nights could refer to the vibrant, illuminated nightlife in a bustling city. Remember, it's always good to use colorful language. It makes your English more engaging and fun. There we have it. Now you know how to describe and use neon colors in English. Aren't they amazing? The next time you describe something bright and striking, try using a neon color. It's sure to make your description more vibrant and vivid. Thank you for joining us today, and keep exploring the colors of the English language. Happy learning!